first look at the views on this channel's videos. 254 million views, 144 million views, and almost every video on this channel is performing amazingly with millions of views. This channel named Rico Animations has gained more than 13 million subscribers by uploading only Stickman videos in this one exact style. And as you can see, this channel is monetized and the creator of this channel is earning more than $4,100 per month from this kind of videos. Not only this, there are countless creators on YouTube who are replicating this exact style and earning thousands of dollars every month. So guys, if you also want to make this kind of videos completely for free, then watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's see without wasting even a single second how you too can make Stickman animation videos completely for free. Now first we will generate a Stickman character figure image that remains consistent in all scenes of our video. For this, we will use ChatGPT. Now open ChatGPT and type this in the chat box. Create a Stickman animation figure image, and then click here. After this, ChatGPT will generate our Stickman character's image in just a few seconds. Okay, now our image has been generated. So now we will click on this icon and download this image. After that, click here to open a new chat. Now type this prompt in the chat box. You can also add some funny or quirky elements from your side. Don't worry, I have given a docs file link in the description of this video in which you will get all the prompts. After that, click on this icon here. Now ChatGPT will give you 20 engaging topic ideas. You can choose any topic from these. Now again, paste this prompt in the chat box. Then in this prompt, put the video duration and copy your favorite topic from the video topics given above and paste it here in the video topic section. And then click here. Now ChatGPT will prepare a complete video script according to the time and topic you gave in just a few seconds, which will include full narration and image prompts and video prompts for every scene. Now we will generate images for all scenes of our video. For this, copy the image prompt of the first scene and open Google Flow. Now first click on the plus icon here and upload the Stickman character image generated from ChatGPT. Then click on the three dots here and click on Add to Prompt. After that, paste the image prompt here. Now click here, select the image size and quantity from here, and then click on this icon. After this, in just a few seconds, the image of the first scene of our video will be generated. Okay, now our image has been generated, and see, the image has been generated wonderfully. Now to generate the image of the second scene, copy the second image prompt, and then click on the three dots on your character image and click on Add to Prompt. After that, click here. Now again, in just a few seconds, our second scene's image will be generated. So now our image has been generated, and you can see our character is consistent. Now generate the images of all the remaining scenes in the same way. Okay, now you can see I have generated images of all the scenes. So now we will convert all these images one by one into animation videos. For this, copy the video prompt of the first scene from ChatGPT. Now click on the three dots on the first image and click on Animate here. After that, paste the video prompt in it and click here. Now keep the video model as OmniFlash and duration between 8 to 10 seconds. After that, click here. Now in just a few seconds, your image will be animated. Okay, now the image of the first scene of our video has been animated. So now we will animate the image of the second scene. For this, copy the video prompt of the second scene from ChatGPT, and then click on the three dots in the second scene and click on Animate. Then paste the video prompt in it and click here. Now again, in just a few seconds, your second image will also be animated. Now animate the images of all the scenes one by one in the same way. Okay, now I have animated the images of all the scenes of my video. So now we will download all these video clips one by one. For this, click on the three dots here and then select the video quality from here. After this, the video will be downloaded. Now download all the videos in the same way. Okay, now all our video clips have been downloaded. So now we will generate voiceover for the video. For this, come back to ChatGPT and type this in the chat box. Provide the voiceover in full ready to copy. After that, click here. Now ChatGPT will write the voiceover of your entire script in one clean paragraph. Now copy this script and open your favorite text-to-speech tool. I am using ElevenLabs for this. Now paste your script in text-to-speech here, and then select the voice model and click on Generate here. After this, your voice will be generated in just a few seconds. Now download this voiceover by clicking here. Now we will edit all the scenes of our video according to the voiceover. For this, open your favorite video editor. After that, add the voiceover and all the scene video clips according to the sequence. Now sync the voiceover properly with every scene. When everything is smoothly synced, export the video. For this, click on Export here. Now select the video resolution and frame rate from here and click here. After this, your video will be exported in just a few seconds. Okay, now your viral Stickman animation video is completely ready and ready to upload. Now let's see its final result.
Have you ever met someone who is incredibly smart, but always struggling with money? They get good grades, know lots of facts, and solve difficult problems, yet somehow they never seem to build real wealth. Here's the truth. Intelligence and financial success are not the same thing. Many smart people spend years collecting knowledge, but never learn how money actually works. Instead of investing or starting projects, they often wait for the perfect moment. They overthink every decision until great opportunities disappear. Successful people don't always know more. They simply take action faster, learn from mistakes, and improve along the way. Wealth grows through habits like saving, investing, learning, and taking consistent action, not just having a high IQ. So don't just try to become smarter, build better money habits. Because in the long run, consistent action beats intelligence alone. Start taking action today, and let your habits create the future your intelligence deserves.
So friends, this was the complete way to make a Stickman animation video for free. If you found the video helpful, then like the video. And if you want to see such new viral AI niches and latest tutorials first, then subscribe to the channel right now so that you don't miss any new video. So friends, let's meet in another new video. Until then, bye-bye.